The Blue Devils hitting the field for their season opener with Josie. A good crowd on hand for this one. And the Blue Devils didn't waste much time as the defense able to hold the Eagles to a 3-and-out. And then on offense, the give is to Lamar Stimage, who takes off, breaks free, gets down the far sidelines all the way inside the Josie 20. That drive would eventually stall, though, and the Blue Devils will have to settle for a 31-yard Caleb Brown field goal. 3-0 Statesboro. Special teams stepping up next as the punt was swallowed up here by Joe Collins. Nobody able to scoop and score, though. Ben Taylor would make an effort, but no problem scoring from there as Lamar Stimage gets a nice block from Alan Wooden and goes in for 6. Statesboro takes a 10-0 lead. Josie's band not the only ones to not show up for the first half. The team looking sloppy. This one fumbled away into the waiting arms of Gabriel Carter. Statesboro in excellent field position again, and they'd capitalize moments later as Stimage takes the pitch. The backfield makes a couple nice blocks. He does the rest himself. 17-0 Statesboro after 1. Aaron Lester getting his chance to do more than just block here in the second quarter. He picks up a first down. More from Lester as he fights off a couple of tackles and goes ahead for another Blue Devil first down inside the Eagles 20. The Devils alternating quarterbacks between Todd Cone and DeAnthony Stevens. Here's Stevens to a wide-open Rod Murphy, who nearly trips before hauling it in. 24-0 Statesboro. The defense continuing to capitalize on Josie miscues. Joe Collins with the interception. A nice return inside the 20. More from Aaron Lester then, and check out this run as he steps out of one tackle, bowls over a couple more, and nearly goes in the end zone. Cleaning things up from the 2, it's Stimage, and the man they call Buddha finds enlightenment for the third time in the end zone. 31-0 at the half. Caleb Brown's second field goal, the only Blue Devil points of the second half. The Eagles scored a late touchdown themselves, but this one all Statesboro. They roll 34-6.